In a dusty garage, a weathered 1988 pickup starts an audacious transformation into a wind-tuned Dune racer. The team strips weight, mounts a mid-mounted twin-turbo inline-six, and cloaks the body in a carbon aero shell. Heat, suspension, and fuel mapping clash on the dyno, so they design a water-cooled intercooler loop and adjustable dampers. A brutal desert test uncovers flex and grip issues, forcing a reinforced roll cage, recalibrated ECU, and careful ballast to perfect balance. The result is a rugged Dune rocket that climbs harder, corners crisper, and proves precise problem-solving.